Odyssey runs the money behind 2 ESA programs, including the billion-dollar Texas launch. It works nothing like the invoice-and-wait platforms. Odyssey is a marketplace. Your services are approved before they can be listed, and payment fires automatically when you fulfill. Master that model and you skip the rejection cycle entirely. Go to the Odyssey portal for your state and apply. Texas vendors use tefa vendors. With Odyssey.com, Iowa has its own. You'll submit business details and require documents, then connect your bank through Stripe so Odyssey can pay you. Expect real vetting. In Texas, approval typically takes 4 to 6 weeks and covers business registration, franchise tax standing, and fingerprint checks for anyone working directly with children. Credential-gated services must show the credential, a Texas Educator Certificate for tutors, an active license for therapy. Build your listings like they're the compliance review, because they are. Nothing goes live until it clears pre-approval, so describe each service with its educational subject. Once you're listed, families buy from their ESA balance, you confirm fulfillment, and Odyssey pays your bank on net 30 terms. No upfront listing fees. The habit that gets you paid on time, mark orders fulfilled promptly. Payout is tied to that confirmation. Pre-approved listings, prompt fulfillment, automatic payout. That's Odyssey. For the state-by-state registration steps and records that survive an audit, the free tools at GetESAPaid.com cover both Odyssey states. Links below.